Good morning, class 8. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Today I'm going to start from unhealthy habits and lifestyle. So look at your book. Several diseases are acquired by either following an unhealthy lifestyle or getting hooked to bad habits such as smoking, chewing tobacco, drinking alcohol, consuming narcotics, and so on. The harmful effects of some of these actions are as follows. Tobacco consumption. Tobacco is consumed by chewing or by smoking them as cigarettes and bidis. Chewing tobaccos can lead to oral cancer, cancer of mouth and throat. Both of them also known as oral cancer. Smoking leads to irritation of nose and throat, cough and respiratory problems, lung cancer, and increase in blood pressure and so on. So, as tobacco contains nicotine, its consumption leads to the nicotine addiction, which affects the autonomic nervous and skeletal muscles. So, actually, what is the malfunction of tobacco consumption? Tobacco contains nicotine. If we intake daily, nicotine affects the autonomic nerves and skeletal muscle. Next, alcohol consumption. Alcoholic drinks slows down brain activity and weaken its control system when taken in large quantities. It also damages the liver by causing liver cirrhosis. So underline this one. Alcohol consumption may lead to liver cirrhosis. Basically, it slows down the brain activities and weaken its control system. Next, drug addiction. Narcotics such as cocaine, heroin, marijuana, and opium are harmful substances that can lead to addiction. Once a person starts consuming drugs, a condition of either physical or psychological dependence is produced. During physical dependence, the body requires a continuous supply of the drug to be effective. This is called addiction. So, what is addiction? Addiction is a phase when our body requires a continuous supply of drug to be effective. This situation is also known as addiction of drugs. People may take drugs to have fun, to relieve boredom, to satisfy curiosity, to escape from reality, or due to peer pressure. Some drugs can lead to addiction on single use. An overdose of drugs can severely depress the central nervous system, which respiratory failure leading to death. So the overdose of drug can severely depress the central nervous system. So अगर हम लोग ड्रग ओवरडोज ले लेंगे तो नॉर्मली ये सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम को बिगाड़ देगा, उसी के साथ रेस्पिरेटरी फेलियर लीडिंग टू द डेथ. नेक्स्ट, unhealthy lifestyle. Nowadays, daily activities require minimum physical labor. So muscles and body organs are barely exercised. मतलब nowadays daily activities require minimum physical labor. So muscle and body organs are barely exercised. Most people do not exercise or undertake works to tone body muscle. So basically हम लोग most of the people do not exercise नहीं करते हैं. It can lead to disease such as a high blood pressure, obesity, heart problems and diabetes. So basically unhealthy lifestyle और उसी के साथ अगर हम लोग एक्सरसाइज नहीं करेंगे, इट कैन लीड टू disease such as a high blood pressure, obesity, heart problems as well as diabetes. There are 31 lakhs, 31,705,000 diabetic in India, which is the highest in the world. Most of them type of 2 diabetes caused by the inactivity and obesity. सो बेसिकली हम लोगों का इंडिया में डायबिटिक पेशेंट सबसे ज़्यादा है। उसी के अंदर 2 टाइप का डायबिटीज़ मिलता है, डायबिटीज़ इंसिपिडस और डायबिटीज़ मेलिटस। किसके द्वारा फैलता है? बेसिकली कॉज्ड बाय इनएक्टिविटी and obesity. Next, consumption of fast food. Fast food is a term generally used for the quickly available foods such as burgers, pizzas, samosas, and so on, which are rich in fats and have high calorific value. Consumption of such food items frequently leads to obesity among people. तो अगर ज़्यादातर हम लोग ऐसे फैटी फूड खाएंगे तो ऑब्वियसली ओबेसिटी होगा, मतलब मोटापा गेन करेंगे। नेक्स्ट, फास्ट एड, द इमीडिएट हेल्प गिवन टू ए पर्सन बिफोर फॉर्मल ट्रीटमेंट इन केस ऑफ एन एक्सीडेंट और सडन इलनेस इज कॉल्ड फास्ट एड। सो व्हाट इज फास्ट एड? फास्ट एड इज द इमीडिएट हेल्प बिफोर द अराइवल ऑफ प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट। तो प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट के आगे नॉर्मली हम लोग जो ट्रीटमेंट दे सकते हैं टू एनी इंजर्ड पर्सन, दैट इज फास्ट एड. It can be given by any person to the injured before reaching or calling the doctor. The first aid given for some common incidents are discussed here. Cuts and bruises. A cut is a break in the skin, while a bruise is an injury to tissues under the skin, which causes blue and black marks. Application of ice packs can reduce these marks. Next, superficial cut. Wash the cut area with water. अच्छे से धोना है. Dry it gently. Apply an antiseptic lotion and then cover with a clean bandage. It helps to keep the cut clean as it heals. जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगा. Next, deep cut. Put a clean pad or cloth on the cut and apply pressure on it to stop the bleeding. If blood soaks through the pad, place another pad on it and keep on pressing. After the bleeding stops, apply an antiseptic lotion and put a bandage around the cut area. Next, burn. First aid for burns depend on the extent of burns. First degree, superficial burns. First degree burn, it result in the reddening of the skin. पूरा skin जल जाता है. Just run cold water over the burn area for 10 to 15 minutes. Second degree, serious burns. It forms blister, that is small skin swelling filled with the watery substance. मतलब skin के ऊपर नॉर्मली ब्लिस्टर दिखाई देता है फिल्ड विथ वाटरी सब्सटेंस. इमर्स द बर्न एरिया इन कोल्ड वाटर. डू नॉट ब्रेक और puncture the blister. So we should not break or puncture the blister. If a blister breaks, wash the area with soap and water. Cover it with a clean bandage if it is likely to get dirty or get rubbed against something. And third degree burns, matlab severe burns, most of the cases result in the charring. If clothes get stuck to burned body parts, do not pull them off. ये खोलने की कोशिश मत करना. Cover the area with a clean cloth. Apply an ice pack. Seek medical help immediately. So actually student, this portion no तो मतलब याद करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, as because your question will be MCQ type. So just read it. So for today, up to this portion.